Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I thought I'd come out here to show you the daylight coming in. It's 7:15 in the morning here in Dorset. I thought I'd go up early to do the day rise. Yeah, today I've got a lot of stuff going on today. At 11 o'clock I've got C-Tech at Yarmouth Road. So I've got my college course at the C-Tech at 11 o'clock. And tonight we're going to Bournemouth to film the lights at the Winter Wonderland in Bournemouth. So yeah, so I thought I'd come on here and do a quick vlog. Show the daylight coming in. So yeah, it's Wednesday the 11th of December today. So I hope you have a good morning. Still a bit cold, still a bit freezing, a little bit of wind in the air, so just stay safe, wrap up warm wherever you're going today. So I hope you enjoyed my vlogs from last night, Dorset at night. So this is Dorset early hours in the morning. So I'm filming this now at 7:52 AM on the 11th of December 2004. Should be Christmas only around the corner. Only got next week for my 2 courses next week, then we'll break up for Christmas. Hopefully in the new year I will have a new job. Hopefully that's my New Year's resolution. That's my New Year's resolution. Have a new job. I've been made redundant for 2 years coming up now, so it's about time for me to have a new job. After I find one, we've got to find one first, search for one, me and my coast team. So yeah, so for this morning at 11 o'clock I've got an appointment with the C-Tech. It's to do with my college course. If I complete it all, I will get a certificate. I mean, I can't get it out. Yeah, so tonight we'll be going to tonight we are going to Bournemouth to film the Wonderland at night. Me and my cousin. He's coming to me at 4 o'clock. Well, he's coming to me at 3 to get down there, so the lights will be switched on about 5, between 4 and 5. Do some vlogging, take some pictures. It'll be the first time for me to do a night vlog down in Bournemouth, and with the lights. I never did a night vlog down in Bournemouth before. So yeah, it'll be fun. So yeah. They've still got their Christmas lights on. Maybe turn them off in a minute. Well, good morning, Dolly. Yeah, my next door neighbour's up. They've still got their lights on in next door. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Join me on the next one. See you in the next one. Bye for now.